shot down Martha Hawkins, and I robbed her of her pride. And I picked Fort Worth as a place to hide. Those Georgia jails don't have such a beautiful view, but Fort Worth is such a beautiful place to disappear into. On the muscle of my arm there's a red and blue tattoo, and it reads Fort Worth, I love you. Well, Fort Worth town is the best I've found for a hang around like me. I buy chili dog, watch a rodeo on TV. In Fort Worth, killing times, no crime, so now I'm in the clear. And by the way, Martha Hawkins won't find me here. Yeah, those Georgia jails don't have such a beautiful view, but Fort Worth is such a beautiful place to disappear into. On the rustle of my arm there's a red and blue tattoo, and it reads Fort Worth, I love you. Yeah, those Georgia jails don't have such a beautiful view, but Fort Worth is such a beautiful place to disappear into. On the muscle of my arm there's a red and blue tattoo, and it reads Fort Worth, I love you. It just reads Fort Worth, I love you. Oh, thank you very much, folks.
Well, we're back up here at Carmine's Country Corner, Paul.
We're back.
Jeez, it's, May, a couple of months now, it's going to be 6 years. May 20th, we'll be celebrating our 6th year doing this thing. I never thought it would last that long.
Coming around the bend.
Man, we're having fun.
Yes, sir.
And today's a special day because my daughter Kim, 60 years ago, actually this Tuesday, we're celebrating a little birthday party here today for her. But on Tuesday, she was born on St. Patrick's Day. And we're Italian. So I get all confused. I don't know what other buyer, what, corned beef and carrots or meatball. I have no idea what to do there. But yes, she's going to be turning 60 on Tuesday, and she's just as pretty and as cute as she was the day I met her.
Yes, she is.
We love Kim. And she's doing all our engineering stuff right now. We had a little glitch in the beginning, which is not her fault. It's just the way things happen. And somebody's showing up here. They're walking kind of slow, limping along. I don't know.
That could be anyone.
Oh, that's Joey and Greg. Oh, that's my sister and her husband, of course. Anyway, we're here at Carmine's Country Corner and celebrating Kim's 60th birthday. We got a whole bunch of the relatives came down to wish her well. So we appreciate all you guys. Give Kim a big hand. How about it? Because, it's kind of her special day. Now, I think, Paul, in the middle of the show, I think we're going to take a break and walk over to the cake table, and we'll all get around and she'll cut her, and we'll sing happy birthday to her.
Let's do it.
So some of you folks out there that don't know what Kim looks like or who she is, you'll get to meet her. Okay, what do we got? Do another one, Paul. See, this is all rehearsed, I want you to know.
Flowers while I'm living.
I love that song.
In this world today where we are living, some folks say the words for the most they can. But when we are dead and in our casket, in this world, that's where we need our flowers. A kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them along. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and there's some lilies in my hand. In this world, that's where we need our flowers. A kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and there's some lilies in my hand. No, don't you try to slip some lilies in my hand.
I didn't really forget to mention these other two fellas that are up here, but Bob Gother is taking Gary Schwann's place this week. Now, Bob plays a lot with us, so most of you people that watch the show know who Bob Gother is. Bob, it's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yes.
Good to be here for Kim's birthday celebration.
Yes, and we're proud to have you. And you're sporting a 19. Is that a 72 Gibson 335?
That's correct.
That is a beautiful guitar,
Purdy, mighty Purdy.
and you make it sound good.
It only cost double what the guy that bought it paid for it.
Right. Well, you know,
It's
guitars.
okay.
Guitars are actually a very good investment.
They are very good.
It's almost like artwork. I mean, you know, you buy
Absolutely,
one,
man.
you keep it for 30 years. It goes up like 10 times or
Yeah.
50 times. It's crazy. John
Mhm.
Palmer.
The drums stay the same.
The drums. They don't.
I leave them out, I leave the trunk open. I'm hoping it's going to be drum pickup day. People throw more in there.
That's like the guy that left the accordion in the back seat of his car with all his windows down, you know, hoping someone would steal it. You know, and when he got back, there were 2 accordions in the car. You know, so what are you gonna do? Okay, Bob, you can hit us with a
Yes,
song.
let's do a waltz. Let's do Waltz Across Texas.
Love that song.
That's one of the few that I know. Here we go.
Key of C from the 5. One, 2, 3, 2, 2. When we dance together, my world's in disguise. It's a fairyland tale that's come true. And when you look at me with those stars in your eyes, I could waltz across Texas with you. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you. troubles have all up and gone the moment that you come in view. And with your hand in mine, I could dance on, and I could waltz across Texas with you. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you. Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charm, and I could waltz across Texas with you. Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you. Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charm, and I could waltz across Texas with you. I could waltz across Texas with you. That's for all the waltzers back home there. All right.
So we got a fella coming up here in a little bit called the Frog, and I know him as Roy, but Paul, he's like family with you. He's kind of family with me now too anymore. But
We've been pals.
you
just
guys
about
been
as long.
around forever, huh? Well, we're gonna get on. Come on up now, there, Frog, and come do a song with us. You guys having fun out there? All right. You're gonna use my mic.
John's gonna say one too.
God, I love John. Can't guarantee him what it sounds good as you.
All you gotta do is like give me a ride.
I'll come up there. Maybe we'll bring a tambourine up there. I'll see that
You can do that.
Okay, yeah. It's called Never Ending Love. It's that
Oh, I
Laney
know that
song.
song.
Laney song.
Yeah. Laney, man, I met him at 64, 65. I remember.
Is he Shindar?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
He was playing bass. He was playing bass.
You know the Jerry Cole.
Yeah.
Remember Jerry?
Well, no, I don't. I don't.
Well, he was one of the shit.
Yeah, that's right.
And so was James Burton.
Yeah.
You know.
I played a lot.
I was walking on Tall Cotton in those days. I know some of those guys. They all show tree together. Okay, what do we got?
We're gonna do a Fire on the Mountain.
Do you know that song?
I think so.
Okay.
And the red and white Carolina which could not save. Shot down in cold blood by a gun that carries fame. All for no good, useless, worthless claim. And I on the mountain and not doing me. Long-haired country boy by Charlie Daniels. No? Okay. Where do we start?
Go ahead, man. You lay it down.
No, I mean, what do I need? What do you start? A little Charlie Daniels. People say I'm a no good, crazy as a loon. 'Cause I get stoned in the morning and drunk in the afternoon. I like my whole blue chick hound like to lay around
we'll do one more quick one, and then we're gonna take just a 3-4 minute break and have Kim cut her cake. And because it's kind of a birthday show today, really, for Kim. Roy, thank you for coming to the party. We'll have you back again. Thank you, sir. What do you think, Paul? What do you like? Love that song.
I'm a rolling stone, all alone and lost. For a life of sin, I have paid the cost. When I went by, the people say, just another guy on the lost highway. Just a deck of cards and a jug of wine, and a woman's eyes make a life like mine. Look at me now, I'm a stray. I started rolling down that lost highway. Just a lad, only 22. Ain't a good nor bad, just a kid like you. Now I'm lost, too late to play. I paid the cost on the lost highway.
Okay, you ready for the cake? Let's jump on it. Okay, folks, we're going to go over to the cake now and get Kim to cut it, and then we'll come back and play more music. Let's go do it. Turn the camera, Kim. Put it on the cake. The cake's the star of the show right now, not us. We got upstaged by a cake. Okay, watch this, guys, with the wires. Hold all your arm this way. No, you can't. Okay, let's go. Come on, Kim. Who's gonna light the candles? Come on, everybody. Come on, light these cake. You got it. All right, Kevin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kim. Happy birthday to you. All right, get away. We're gonna go back to work, but save us a piece of that cake. Oh, no, oh, yeah. Hey, Bobby, you got a tune?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, mine off my guitar there.
Hey, we're back. We had to take a break to cut my daughter. You know, 60 years ago, she made me become a daddy.
Yes, she did.
And I don't know how good a daddy I was or a dad or anything else, but I'll tell you, we spent a lot of time together.
You can find out in the memoirs.
Love all my kids.
Wait till she writes the book, brother.
Okay, we're gonna do the blues song.
Okay, let's do it. Hey, if you're watching us on Facebook, please push like and share. And if you're watching it on YouTube, push subscribe. That would help us out a little bit.
Avon.
Today, yeah.
All right, Bob Gother's got the stage. So here we go.
Well, listen, I'm gonna go around once and else for a second, okay? Here we go. Okay.
What's this one?
Huh? Walking by myself. One, two, one, two, three, four.
I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand that I just want to be your lover, man. I love you, yes, I love you with all my heart and soul. I would not mistreat you for my weight in gold. You know that I love you, and you know it's true. Only give me my loving. What more can I do? I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover, man. Thank you. You know that I love you, and you know it's true. Gonna give you my loving. What more can I do? I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand that I just want to be your lover, man. Yeah, I love you. Yes, I love you with all my heart and soul. Would not mistreat you for my weight in gold. I'll do. I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover man. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna tune up. Somebody do something. Out for some reason. Hey, we're having fun here at Carmine's Country Corner. Paul, you got one?
Yeah.
I got one. I gotta tune up, man. It's ridiculous. Yeah, that says it's very close.
Let's do Remember Me.
Oh, I love that song. Remember me.
Try E. Okay. No, try D. Make it D. 151.
You told me once that you were mine alone forever. I'll be yours till the end of eternity. All those vows are broken now, and never be the same except in memory. Remember me when the candlelights are gleaming. Remember me at the close of a long day. It'd be so sweet when all alone I'm dreaming, just to know you still remember me.
things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss my baby. I guess I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man and have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. You ask me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man and have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I miss her kisses, you know I will every day. And I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. And they ask me if I'll miss my baby. You know I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man and have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Johnny Cash, 1957. You go on YouTube, look up Johnny Cash 1957 Town Hall Party. It's in black and white, and you'll hear him sing that song. That's how old that song is. Now,
Let's do Lodi.
I love Lodi.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
And when we change keys, that's when Colin's gonna play over
A whole bunch of
G to A. We're gonna go from G to A. Okay? Here we go.
Got it.
1, 2. A 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just about a year ago,
So they built us a new stage at Osprey Farm.
We want one now too over here.
I'm gonna redo this thing. Yeah, very soon. We'll do a new backdrop, something that looks a little more creative. Anyway, so I was working there Friday and Saturday night. So Friday night was my first time on the new stage because they built it last week. Yeah. And I'm working with a fellow friend of mine named Tom. Good singer, good guitar player, good guy. And you know, I don't do that much singing, you know. So Tom says, "Hey, Carmine, you want to sing a song?" I said, "Yeah, I'd love to." I said, "You know, I got to thinking about something. This is like a brand new stage." I said, "Maybe it'll make me sound better." You know, I mean, it's brand new. It can't hurt me, right?
Right.
That's what I was saying. But I don't know. I don't think it did much. I think I pretty much sound like the way I sound. But I look better because the stage was new, and that's part of this. You know, that's part of the act. So anyway, we had a lot of fun. What do you got, Paul?
Let's do Dark Hollow.
I love that song.
All the way around. 1, 2.
I'm gonna on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And I'm gonna on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And there's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. See Miss Caroline, tell her I'm doing fine. If you see Miss Caroline, tell her I'm doing fine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Why, thank you. There's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Now Bob and I are gonna play together at the same time. Go. What do you say after that? There's nothing to say, Paul. Thank you, folks. Well, I think we'll call it a night. It's 5 after, and even though we got a little late start, I just burnt myself out on that song.
That was it, man.
I'm tired, I'm done. I'm gonna see you next Sunday. If you come by Knott's Berry Farm Friday or Saturday, our show starts somewhere around 1:30 to 3:30. Come by and say hello. Love to see you. Okay, hey, Bob Pelly, next week you're getting up and doing a song with us. You're already booked, so. Okay, and Roy, thank you for sitting in with us. We love you. And all you guys, all my brothers and sisters and brother-in-laws that came and my sister-in-laws that came to Kim's party. We appreciate that. And Joey, our good friend Joey. So we love you all. I'm going to have a piece of that cake right now.